Hi friends, welcome to Carlos M Kitchen. This is the full video from the Napolitana pizza dough short I made earlier at a friend's house. I'm making the dough from scratch. That's 500 grams of all-purpose flour and 350 milliliters of water, and I mix from the center outwards. Then I add 1.5 grams of dry yeast and mix it well into the dough. After that, I add 10 grams of salt and 12 milliliters of extra virgin olive oil, and this time I will mix from the edges towards the center. This is a 70% hydration dough. It is a very wet dough. As you can see, the ingredients have not bonded yet. So I'm gonna let it rest for 20 minutes at room temperature. Then I will put it in a greased bowl because the pizza that I'm going to make is round. I will cover it with plastic wrap and put it in the fridge overnight. 12 hours later, it doubled in size. Please hit the subscribe button for more cooking recipe ideas. I will cut the dough into 280 or 300 grams pieces. That's a 300-gram dough. Those are the only ingredients I will use in this pizza. I preheated the oven to 475 degrees Fahrenheit or 250 degrees Celsius. I place the dough in the tray and get the gases out, pushing gently with my fingers and stretch towards the edges. The rest is just easy. Add the ingredients. I put the mozzarella on top of the basil leaves, that is fresh mozzarella, to avoid burning them or drying them out. When it's ready, I put it in the oven for about 10 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. Once done, I top it with fresh basil leaves. Ciao, I will see you in the next video. Let me know if the recipe was useful.